New Street research analyst Dan Salmon joins us now. Why, Dan? Why do you like it, and why is it going higher?
Thanks, David. Morning. So a lot of people are focused right now on what Pinterest is doing with Amazon, where they're partnering with them to help Amazon bring in more ad buyers and more targeted ads to their platform. Lots of focus on that. That's a big positive for them, big driver of revenue. The thing we don't think people are focused on enough is the fact that they're going to be able to save money on their sales expense by partnering with Amazon and bringing in other partners later. We just think it's something that's underappreciated. Management has talked about it a little bit, but not a whole lot. And that was really the focus of the bullish outlook that we started the stock with this morning.
Do we have any data yet on sort of where these third-party ad partnerships are, and or what are your expectations in terms of the growth?
So not a whole lot just yet. Amazon's the first one to launch. They're just doing it in the U.S. right now. Management has said that they're relatively happy with the test so far. I'm sure we'll find out, and they saw a lot more progress from it here over the beginning of the holiday shopping weekend and through the end of the year. They expect the partnerships to start to become a little bit more material starting next year. And like I said, we would probably expect them to expand it beyond the U.S. As well as add partners in addition to Amazon. In terms of total revenue growth, we're pretty much in line with where their guidance has been, which is mid to high double digits over time. We just think these third-party partnerships can be pretty material, and in the next 5 years, we think that they'll come to make up about 50% of their total revenue overall.
Doug, is generative AI a threat or an opportunity for Pinterest?
I would say mostly opportunity right now. It's not a huge focus for them. It's not as significant as it is with the big guys like Google and Meta and Amazon right now. They have some pilot tests right now, for example, to create generative search guides to help users when they're on the platform. They've launched a tool called Creative Studio, which is going to help advertisers create customized ads to create more personalized ones for individuals. Both of those things are kind of similar to what we've seen from the other big platforms. It is a searching platform. It is a place where people come to ask questions. So we think generative AI and chatbots is really important for Google and their search business. We do think it's important for them as well, but the visual nature of the platform is a little bit differentiated for them. So still early in their journey for generative AI right now.
Dan, thank you.